So check out these tube lights. They're large, 30-watt, high-powered RGB lights with app control and lighting effects. These are the K90s from Viltrox, and they're absolutely perfect for key lights, background lighting, ambient lighting, or like even performing. Or you can even play Star Wars with them.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gadgets and gear that come my way. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you can click that like button, YouTube knows that you like that kind of stuff. They'll send you more of that in your feed. Viltrox did send these to me and they're sponsoring this video so that I could play around with them, test out the features, and then share my thoughts and experiences with you guys. And I actually have a lot of different Viltrox lights in this room. I've been using them for years now. You can check back on some of the earlier videos, Viltrox and Wii Light. I have a key light up there that I'm using from Viltrox. Just really great quality products, and I still use them all the time. And I've actually been looking for good tube lights for a while now, and I'm really excited to have these ones right here. And I will put the links to all of this stuff down in the description so you can find it down there. Might even be a coupon code. Again, here are the Viltrox K90s, which actually come in a pair. It also comes with this travel bag and little straps inside to hold the lights in place. And these attachments, which you can mount with a quarter thread or two, and these are clips that can pop on and tighten into place. But also these clamps are magnetic, so you can put them onto anything metal. You can put them onto your car, you can put them onto your refrigerator, or even if like this place has trimming that's metal, so that actually works. It's made of one-piece PVC material and a 180-degree curved luminous surface design. And they're just over 3 feet in length, or just under 3 meters in length. And they have quarter thread mounts on both sides, so you can pop them onto a tripod or other mounts. Each light features 448 ultra quality LED beads to get brightness levels up to 2550 lux and 30-watt power. So here, we'll turn off the key light here so you can see just how bright these things are for that. And that's not even facing me. Woo. The battery will give you 70 minutes of use on full brightness. There is USB-C on here for charging it up, and it also does include 35-watt fast charging, so you can charge this thing up fully within a couple of hours, or you can have it plugged in and charge it while you're using it. So that's really handy. And then you have the display screen to show you the battery status, what channel and group it's on, the brightness levels, and other color parameters. And you have these 4 buttons here to navigate through the menu system. So you can adjust the brightness levels up to 100% and also adjust the color temperature from a warm 2500K to a cool 8500K. And I love that you can adjust this straight from the app. Like, that's so cool. And HSI mode, or like the color mode, RGB mode, you can access all the colors of the spectrum. And I love using the app to pinpoint which color, just sliding it around like that. It also changes the saturation as well. They also have the TLCI feature, a color rendering evaluation index, specifically designed for television and broadcast industry. The higher the value, the better performance of light source. But then you can also go into RGBW and actually just like put in the numbers in case there's a more precise color. Maybe it's your logo or something like that, and you know those numbers, you can just pop them in there and you can have that precise color. With the effects mode, you actually have 26 scene effects, and that includes lightning, explosion, camera flash, faulty bulb, welding, candlelight, fireplace, TV, fireworks, cop car, ambulance, plus some different RGB shuffling scenes, so you can actually just have them shuffling around in different colors. And you can also adjust the speed of each scene if you want something faster or slower. They also include 11 pix effects for photography shooting, so you can shuffle through that menu and see which one looks the best. It just kind of helps add a little bit of that extra color, brightness, or splash while you're doing photography. And again, you can control this all with the Viltrox app or the Wii Light app or the remote control that they have, or you can just do it on the lights themselves. But there you have it. These are the Viltrox K90s, really cool tube lights, something that I'm going to be using a lot, whether I'm playing and performing music or just like here in the studio when I'm doing video work, plus even like Halloween or other times when you'd want to use lights like this. Just a really cool tool to have. If you want to see some other Viltrox videos that I've done, other cool lights that I've done with Viltrox, you can click any one of these on the screen. These are great though. I do like these, and they come in at a really good price too for the pack. So check out that link in the description for the price, or click on one of these videos to see the next one, and I'll see you there.